Hi there, welcome back to my channel Code Canvas. In previous video, we learned about CSS pseudo selector AnyLink. In this video, we will learn about adjacent sibling, that is a selector, CSS selector. The adjacent sibling combinator in CSS isn't a selector on its own, but a way of combining two selectors. For example, it will use to select like P is paragraph P, and here you can give margin 0, for example. What does it mean? The plus sign is the adjacent sibling combinator between two paragraph elements. What this means is select any paragraph tag that is directly after another paragraph tag. Let me show you with an example. For example, in HTML I have one div. We already have div. Yeah. Div. In div, this is paragraph. There is another paragraph. I am selected. For example, the div is completed. There is another div. In that div, again, this is another paragraph. Adding one h1 tag. This is title, and here it's a paragraph. Another paragraph. I will not select it. Let's save. And in CSS, let's write some CSS for paragraph. For example, P plus P. We can give some CSS like font size larger, color red, for example. Let's see. See, now this is a paragraph, and this is another paragraph which is sibling to this paragraph. So when I select this P plus P, it is applied, the CSS is applied. Again, here P, another paragraph is also there, but in between one h1 tag is there, so it won't get selected. This is how adjacent sibling selector works. For example, if I remove this h1, it will get selected because two paragraphs are adjacent to each other. The second paragraph is immediate to the first paragraph. Let me write a fine example of practical use of this selector. For example, I have an image. Yeah, let me wrap up in div. I have an image in div image to placeholder. For example, this one. It is a placeholder image. You can put it on your HTML. In span, you can add some text. Yeah. Give br, times br to make it more readable. img src, again same image. This is for testing purpose, so you can add any image. Again span, some text, again br, take a line, and only span some text. So here I have blocks, you can say groups. You can see the first two groups have both image and text, while the last one only has text. This one. This is an ideal scenario for the adjacent sibling selector. Let's see how it looks in CSS. For example, for image, I am writing some CSS called vertical align middle, that index called 999, position at the relative, and that index 1, and image plus immediate span, let's say margin left minus 100 pixel, and see how it looks. So as you see, let me select the image. As you see, image is there, span is there, but it is margin left minus 100 pixel, so it is behind that image. But the last text is not the adjacent of image, so the CSS which we applied is not getting applied there. The CSS is image plus immediate span, and for that we have given margin left minus 100 pixel to make it disappear. So I have given the negative margin because I wanted to hide those text when image is there. I don't want to show the text. So this is the practical example where we can use this selector adjacent siblings. That's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.